The Ushake bike lock is a quality lock. Honestly, it's like every other lock except for the numbered lock. And if you want to find out how to change the passcode, I did a video on that. Just hit the link right here and it'll show you how to change your passcode. As far as the lock itself, it's a good lock. There wasn't a lot to go over on this. My overall assessment of the Ushake bike lock is it's a quality lock. I've been using it for about a month now, and every time I've used it, it's been real simple. I like the little connector to the bike that I'll either show before or I'll show after this, but I like the little connector. It's real simple. I like the lock, and as far as the rest of it, it's like any other lock. To get the lock off the little attachment here, you just hit this red button and lift this up. As you can see, it's coming up. I don't think I'll be able to do it with one hand, but hit this red button, then pull out. See right there, you push that. Oh, there it goes. And there you go. Put your little code in or out. Ushake. So that's my review of the Ushake bike lock. I'll have a product link down in the description below. If you're interested in buying this, you can hit that link. Just full disclosure, it's an affiliate link. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.